Hey, what's up? In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you 3 exercises you can do on your TRX to build a better booty. Chuck is performing the glute bridge with suspension. For this, you're going to push your heels into the lower straps and you're raising your hips up, activating the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This is an excellent movement for the back of the core and a great way to build a good booty.
This exercise is suspension lateral skaters. The purpose of this exercise is to suspend yourself a little longer as you jump from side to side. This is different than a regular speed skater where you're just going fast from one side to the other, not lifting yourself off the ground and trying to increase the hang time. Again, on this exercise, you're pulling with the arms to increase that hang time. This exercise is the single leg suspended Bulgarian split squat. This is an advanced motion. With the back foot anchored, you're shifting the weight to the front foot into the front heel and driving through the heel to bring the hips forward as you stand tall. Notice how Parker's reaching his leg back while keeping his front leg planted. His upper body stays upright throughout the whole motion.